Now we are going to see, that is, a closed shapes that does not cross itself is a simple closed curve. So now we are going to see closed shapes that does not cross itself. So is a simple closed curve. Next one is, some closed shapes are formed only with the straight lines. They are called polygons. So I'll repeat once again. Now we are going to discuss about a closed shape. A closed shapes that does not cross itself. It will not come in cross line. Next, that is not cross itself. That is not cross itself is a simple closed curve, and also it is a simple closed curve. So it is not like a cross itself. A closed shapes that does not cross itself. It is not comes in a cross line, and also it is like a simple closed curve. That is the meaning. And some closed shapes are formed only with straight lines. So some closed shapes are formed only with the straight lines. They are called polygons. So what is this? This is a what? Some closed shapes. These are the examples. These are the example of closed shapes. So these are called as polygons because these shapes are formed only with a straight line. I'll repeat once again. A closed shapes that does not cross itself. So generally the closed shape that does not come under in cross. Okay, and is a simple closed curve. It is a simple closed curve also. Some closed shapes are formed only with the straight lines. They are called what? Polygons. So these are the closed shapes. So they are formed with a straight line. So these are called as what? Polygons. Otherwise they are called as polygons. So this is a what? Triangle. It is also a kind of a trapezium shape. And one is a rectangle, and this is a what? It is also a triangle, but it is an upside down. It's like a cone shape. If you draw what? It's a if you draw like this, it's like a what? Ice cream. It's like a cone. Okay, so they are not polygons. Which are not polygons? These types are not polygons because generally some closed shapes are formed only with a straight line. So it is not a straight line. So this is a what? Horizontal line, but it is a what? Half circle. It is like a hemisphere. So it is not comes under a polygon. And this is also, this is a, it is not, it is this polygon, it is not like, it is not formed with a straight line. This is not a polygon. Why it is not a polygon? Because it is not formed with straight line. It is there, this polygon, this is not a polygon. So because this shape, it is like a what? A oval shape, and also it is a big oval shape and also a small oval shape combined together. It's formed like a figure. It's formed like a shape. It's formed like a new shape. Okay, so this is not a polygon. Because why it is not a polygon? Generally polygon means what we are going to say. Polygon means it is a what? Closed curved. That is, it's a closed shapes, not curved, closed shapes, and also it is formed with only straight line. So it is not it does not cross itself. It does not cross itself, and also it is formed only with the straight line. It is formed only with the straight lines. They are called polygons. Once again, I'll repeat. A closed shapes that does not cross itself. It is a simple closed curve. So these are the simple closed curve, and also it is not cross itself. Closed shapes are formed only with straight line. Generally, closed shapes formed only with straight line. That is called, what is a polygon? Closed shapes are formed only with straight line. It is not a curved line. So whatever the shapes comes under in polygons, so it is formed only with the straight lines, and also it is a closed shape. So these are called as polygons. For example, I have told you it's a triangle. It is like a trapezium, and also it's a rectangle, and it's a what? It is also it is a triangle shape, but it comes under in what? Upside down. And if you draw a half circle, it comes like a what? Cone shape. And also these two are not polygons. Why it is not a polygons? Because it is not formed in a straight line. So these two diagrams and these two what? Figure are not formed in straight line. That is what these are not polygons, or they are not polygons. And types of polygon. Now we are going to see types of polygon. A polygon is named according to the number of sides. It has a polygon with 3 line segment is called as a triangle. So it is formed with straight lines. I've told you polygon means it is formed only with straight line. It is not a curved line. So now we are going to see the types of polygon. The first one is a triangle. It has three sides and that means three straight lines. Okay, it is formed by three straight lines. A triangle, it has three sides and also it is formed by three straight lines. That is what it comes under in polygon. It has three sides, so it is called as a triangle. It is also a triangle, but it becomes an upside down. So that is what it is an example of. What? It is an example of polygon. The first type is triangle. Not only it is example, it is a type of a polygon. The first one is triangle. Next we are going to see quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means what is this? The 4-line segment. 3-line segment means it is called as a what? It is called as a triangle. If the only three lines formed a segment means formed a figure, it is called as a triangle, and it is also a polygon. Polygon means formed only with straight lines. For example, I told you triangle. Triangle, it is a type of a polygon. The first type of polygon. Type 1, its example is what? Triangle, because it is formed with straight line. It has three sides and it has formed with three straight lines. So that is called as a what? Triangle. It is a polygon example. Next one is a 4-line segment. It is a 3-line segment. Triangle is a 3-line segment. Quadrilateral is a 4-line segment. That means 4 straight lines are formed. Okay, 4 straight lines are formed. That is called as a quadrilateral. For example, it is a quadrilateral example means we can call it as square and also rectangle. Rectangle means it has 4 sides and 2 lengths and 2 breadths. Square, it has 4 sides, all the sides are equal. But these quadrilaterals, a special quadrilateral. What is this? Rectangle is a special quadrilateral, and what square is a what? Special quadrilateral. Now we are going to see the other two types.